Top 4 best breakfast that will flush out toxins and repair kidneys. If you have CKD stage 3 or stage 4, mornings can feel stressful. You open the fridge and stop for a second thinking, what can I eat that won't hurt my kidneys? Breakfast used to be easy. Now every food feels like a question. Is this too salty? Too high in potassium? Too much protein? Foods you enjoyed before suddenly don't feel safe anymore. Because of that, many people skip breakfast. Others eat the same thing every single day, even when they're not sure it's actually helping their kidneys. And let's be real, mornings are already busy. No one wants to read food labels or overthink meals right after waking up. That's exactly why this video is important. Today I'll share the top 4 best breakfast choices that help flush out toxins and support kidney repair without stress or confusion. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last breakfast on this list is one most kidney patients never expect. But it can make a real difference if you eat it the right way. Let's get into the video. Number 1, whole oatmeal porridge. Whole oatmeal is one of the safest and most trusted breakfast choices for people with kidney concerns. It's simple, affordable, and gentle on the body, especially first thing in the morning. Oatmeal is rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol, keep blood sugar stable, and support digestion. According to Harvard Health Publishing, beta-glucan can also help reduce inflammation, which is important because long-term inflammation and oxidative stress often play a role in chronic kidney disease. When inflammation is under better control, the kidneys don't have to work as hard. Some nutrition studies suggest that beta-glucan may help protect kidney tissue over time by reducing oxidative damage. Oatmeal won't repair kidneys overnight, but when eaten regularly, it supports the body's natural healing process in a gentle way. Another reason oatmeal works well for kidney health is its moderate potassium and phosphorus levels. When you eat it plain and prepare it correctly, oatmeal fits well into many kidney-friendly diets. The National Kidney Foundation often lists oats as a better grain option compared to processed cereals or salty breakfast foods. However, not all oatmeal is the same. It's best to stick with old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats. Many instant oatmeal packets contain added salt, sugar, and phosphate additives, which can put extra strain on the kidneys and cancel out the benefits. The liquid you use also makes a big difference. Cooking oatmeal with water or unsweetened almond or rice milk is usually a safer choice. Regular cow's milk is higher in phosphorus, which may not be ideal for people with kidney disease. When it comes to flavor, you don't need salt. A little cinnamon or nutmeg adds warmth and taste, and these spices also contain antioxidants. If you want sweetness, a small drizzle of honey or maple syrup is enough. Toppings should stay simple and kidney-friendly. Blueberries are a great option because they are low in potassium and rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress. Strawberries or thin apple slices also work well. It's best to avoid bananas, raisins, or large amounts of nuts, as they can quickly raise potassium levels. Portion size still matters. For most people monitoring potassium and phosphorus, about half a cup of cooked oatmeal is a safe starting point. Always check labels on plant-based milks to make sure they don't contain added phosphates, and remember to follow your dietitian's advice, since needs can vary depending on your CKD stage. Prepared the right way, oatmeal isn't just filling. It's a calm, supportive start to the day that helps your kidneys do their job with less stress. Number 2, boiled eggs. Boiled eggs are another smart breakfast choice for people with kidney problems when eaten the right way. Protein is very important for keeping your muscles strong and your immune system working well. But if your kidneys are weak, the type of protein you choose matters just as much as the amount. Eggs are often called a kidney-friendly superfood because they provide high-quality protein with all the essential amino acids your body needs. Compared to red meat or processed breakfast meats, eggs create less waste for the kidneys to filter. This makes them a cleaner and gentler protein option, especially in the morning. For people in the early stages of CKD, eggs can help maintain strength without putting too much stress on the kidneys. For dialysis patients, eggs are even more valuable. During dialysis, protein is lost from the blood, and this can cause low albumin levels. Many kidney dietitians recommend eggs because they help support healthy albumin without adding excess potassium or sodium. One big advantage of eggs is that they are naturally very low in potassium and sodium. Unlike sausage, bacon, or even some plant proteins like beans, eggs don't usually cause sudden spikes in these minerals. The protein in eggs is also about 97% digestible, meaning your body uses it very efficiently without creating too much waste. That said, moderation is still important. The main concern for kidney health is not the egg white, but the egg yolk. One large yolk contains around 90 to 100 milligrams of phosphorus. Or if your doctor has told you to limit phosphorus to protect your bones and heart, this is where you need to be careful. Some kidney patients with heart disease are also advised to limit yolks because of cholesterol. A helpful approach many kidney patients use is balance. One egg white contains only about 5 milligrams of phosphorus, but still provides nearly 4 grams of high-quality protein. A common option is eating one whole egg combined with 1 or 2 extra egg whites. This way, you keep the taste while lowering the phosphorus load. How you cook your eggs also matters. Boiling is the best method because it doesn't require oil or salt. Avoid adding salt on top. Instead, use black pepper, garlic powder, or fresh herbs like parsley or chives. If your immune system is weaker due to dialysis or a kidney transplant, make sure the eggs are fully cooked and avoid runny yolks to reduce the risk of foodborne illness. To keep breakfast kidney-friendly, pair boiled eggs with the right foods. White or sourdough toast is often easier on the kidneys than whole grain for some people, but always check with your dietitian. Low-potassium vegetables like bell peppers, onions, or fresh cucumbers work well. Berries such as blueberries or strawberries are also great low-potassium options. It's best to avoid bacon, sausage, salty cheeses, and high-potassium fruits like bananas or oranges. When eaten thoughtfully, boiled eggs can be a simple, satisfying breakfast that supports your kidneys instead of stressing them. Quick pause right here. If this video is helping you understand kidney-friendly breakfast better, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. If you have any questions, worries, or foods you're not sure about, leave a comment below. I read them all, and I'd really love to know, where are you watching from and how old are you? Your answers help me make videos that fit you better. Number 3, whole wheat bread with avocado. Whole wheat bread with avocado is one of the most talked about breakfasts in kidney nutrition and also one of the most misunderstood. Many people hear that it is healthy and assume it is safe for everyone. In reality, whether this breakfast helps or harms your kidneys depends strongly on your stage of chronic kidney disease and your blood test results. Whole wheat bread provides complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, helping you feel full longer and avoid blood sugar spikes. It also contains insoluble fiber, which supports digestion and helps the body remove waste through the intestines. When digestion works better, the kidneys have less work to do filtering toxins from the blood. Avocado adds healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and natural antioxidants. These fats help reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol. This matters because kidney disease and heart disease often go hand in hand. Keeping the heart healthy also protects kidney function in the long term. For people in the early stages of CKD, especially stages 1 and 2, this combination can be a good choice. The fiber from whole wheat and the healthy fats from avocado help manage blood pressure and blood sugar, 2 major risk factors for kidney damage. Many kidney specialists agree that controlling these factors early can slow disease progression. However, for people in later stages of CKD or on dialysis, caution is very important. Both whole wheat bread and avocado are high in potassium, and whole wheat bread also contains more phosphorus than white bread. When kidneys can no longer remove these minerals efficiently, levels can rise quickly and become dangerous. To understand the risk, one whole avocado contains roughly 700 to 900 milligrams of potassium. Many kidney patients are advised to stay under 2,000 milligrams per day. That means one large serving could use up almost half of the daily limit in one meal. Whole wheat bread also contains nearly double the phosphorus of white bread. There are ways to enjoy this breakfast more safely with smart adjustments. Portion control is key. Using about 1/4 of an avocado gives you the creamy texture and healthy fats, while keeping potassium much lower. This small amount is often enough for flavor without overwhelming the kidneys. Bread choice also matters. If your potassium or phosphorus levels are high, Sourdough or white bread may be a better option than whole wheat. While whole wheat contains plant-based phosphorus, which is absorbed less than phosphorus from additives, it can still add up if eaten often. Salt should always be avoided. Many store-bought breads are high in sodium, so reading labels is essential. Choosing low-sodium bread can make a big difference. Instead of salt, adding a squeeze of lemon or lime juice brightens the flavor and helps reduce the need for seasoning. If 1/4 of an avocado feels like too little, you can add volume without extra potassium by topping the toast with sliced cucumbers, radishes, or a small amount of sprouts. These low-potassium vegetables add crunch and make the meal more satisfying. When eaten thoughtfully, whole wheat bread with avocado can be supportive for some kidney patients, but harmful for others. Knowing your stage, your lab numbers, and adjusting portions correctly is what turns this breakfast from risky into reasonable. Number 4. Blueberry smoothie. A blueberry smoothie is a light, refreshing breakfast that works especially well for people who don't feel hungry in the morning or who have trouble eating solid food. When prepared the right way, it can support kidney health without putting extra stress on the body. Blueberries are one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. In people with kidney disease, inflammation and oxidative stress often damage tiny blood vessels inside the kidneys. Research published in nutrition and kidney health journals shows that diets rich in anthocyanins may help protect kidney tissue and support healthier blood flow. One big reason blueberries are kidney-friendly is their low potassium content. Half a cup of blueberries contains less than 150 milligrams of potassium, making them much safer than fruits like bananas or oranges. They are also naturally low in phosphorus and sodium, which helps prevent mineral buildup in the blood when kidney function is reduced. Some observational studies suggest that regular blueberry intake may be linked to better kidney filtration rates, especially in middle-aged adults at risk of kidney disease. While blueberries are not a treatment, they support overall kidney function by improving blood vessel health and reducing inflammation. Blueberries also provide fiber and vitamin C without the heavy mineral load found in many other fruits. This makes them a good choice for people who need nutrients but must carefully control potassium and phosphorus. The antioxidants in blueberries also support heart health, which is closely connected to kidney health and may help regulate blood pressure over time. A blueberry smoothie can also support urinary tract health. Similar to cranberries, blueberries contain natural compounds that may help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. Fewer infections mean less strain on the kidneys, especially for people with weakened immune systems. However, the safety of a smoothie depends on what you add to it. Many common smoothie ingredients are high in potassium and can quickly turn a healthy drink into a risky one. Bananas, oranges, spinach, and coconut water should be avoided if you are on a potassium-restricted diet. Protein is another area to watch. If you are in early-stage CKD, too much protein can increase kidney workload. If you are on dialysis, you may actually need more protein. This is why it's important to talk with your doctor or dietitian before adding protein powders. If protein is needed, small amounts of egg white powder or whey isolate are usually easier on the kidneys than plant-based powders high in phosphorus. The liquid base matters as well. Cow's milk is high in phosphorus and potassium, so unsweetened almond milk or rice milk is often a better choice. Always check labels to make sure there are no added phosphate ingredients. Sweeteners should stay minimal. Avoid salt substitutes made with potassium chloride and skip sugary syrups, especially if you also have diabetes. To prepare a kidney-friendly blueberry smoothie, keep it simple. Start with 1 cup of frozen blueberries and blend them with 1 cup of unsweetened almond or rice milk. For thickness without added potassium, a small amount of frozen cauliflower works well and doesn't change the taste. A dash of cinnamon or vanilla adds flavor without sugar or salt. Blend until smooth and enjoy a breakfast that is gentle, nourishing, and supportive of your kidneys. As you can see, protecting your kidneys doesn't start with expensive treatments or complicated plans. It starts with simple choices you make every morning. The right breakfast can help reduce inflammation, support better blood flow, and lower the daily stress placed on your kidneys. From gentle options like oatmeal and boiled eggs, to carefully portion avocado toast and antioxidant-rich blueberry smoothies, each breakfast we talked about today has one thing in common. They work with your kidneys, not against them. When chosen and prepared the right way, these foods help your body flush out toxins and support kidney repair over time. Remember, there is no single perfect breakfast for everyone. Your CKD stage, your blood test results, and your lifestyle all matter. But when you understand why certain foods help and how to eat them safely, you're already taking a big step toward protecting your kidneys long term. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep learning simple kidney-friendly habits that actually work. And if you want more videos like this, comment below and let me know what topic you want next. Your kidneys work hard for you every day. A better breakfast is one small change that can make a real difference.